Thrilled for it.
Presenting Franks with Turbo Booster Jet Engine.
The IPL isn't just designed for veteran or established cricketers. Today, it's the playground for Gen Z and many other younger inspiring cricketers who bring that dynamism to the sport. Today, we're traveling with the Maruti Suzuki Fronx with its stylish, aerodynamic and sporty design. And we are making our way to Sanjeevani Cricket Academy to meet with 5 kids who aspire to be household names someday. They're ready to take on the evolving cricketing landscape with their youthful outlook. These young superstars are reshaping the game. Don't believe me? Come see it for yourself. Aradhya Pawar, age 11. Superpower, Rashid Khan jaisi googly. Nived Lakhwani, age 10. Scored more centuries than you can count. Ayush Dubey, age 12. Bowling all-rounder. Parth Seth, age 13. टॉप ऑर्डर बैटर जो कर दे फास्ट बॉलर्स की छुट्टी. वेदांत बंबानी, एज 13. Fun fact, he's an ambidextrous spin bowler. Alright, I'm going to pass the ball. We're going to play a quick round of rapid fire. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Alright. Last ball 6 hat-trick.
Hat-trick.
Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma.
Virat Kohli.
MI CSK.
MI.
Favorite bowler.
Rashid Khan.
Favorite batsman.
Rohit Sharma.
आप सबको IPL सुपरस्टार्स बनना है, करेक्ट?
Yes sir.
राइट. आराध्य, इफ आई आस्क यू, आप प्रैक्टिस में एक चीज क्या अलग से करते हो?
That I bowl in nets and in afternoons.
तो आप ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस करते हो. ओके. वेदांत, इफ आई कैन आस्क यू, व्हाट इज योर वन स्ट्रेंथ दैट यू थिंक?
The thing which I'm strong at is massive turn, getting massive turn of the pitch, and one thing which I have to improve is consistency.
आयुष, आप अपने प्रैक्टिस और लाइफ के बीच में बैलेंस कैसे लेके आते हो?
सुबह प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, फिर वैसे ही वहाँ पर स्कूल जाते हैं तो वो बैलेंस हो जाता है. कभी कभी अगर एग्ज़ाम पेपर्स है तो सर भी अलाउड कर देते हैं.
Nivid, what is something that you've learned from someone and you're trying to practice in your game?
From my favorite player Virat Kohli, the fitness is more than the cricket.
Parth, if I can ask you कि आगे जाके IPL में, right, what do you want to be known for?
I want to replace Virat Kohli.
Ayush?
मोस्ट फाइफर विकेट्स इन IPL हिस्ट्री.
Most 5 wickets in IPL history. Okay, boys, how's the Josh?
Hi sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi sir.
All right, let's go. Today I have the good fortune of meeting someone behind the scenes who works so hard with young generation cricketers and shaping their future. I have with me Mr. Satish Samant, Director of Coaching here at the SCA. What do you do differently that helps shape, reshape, if I may say, the lives of young cricketers?
They all are coming with a lot of energy. Previously, the kids are more focused about the particular format. Now these boys are open-minded. They are watching. They are growing while watching all this shorter format games, and they are playing. वो उसके हिसाब से अपना गेम डेवलप कर रहे हैं, इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं, और हम लोग उसको रोक नहीं रहे, क्योंकि अगर they are doing it in a right way, so why not? So we are supporting them.
You've heard it from the kids and you've heard it from their coach. Today's IPL superstars, though born after the IPL, are definitely built for it. Seems like they're reshaping their cricketing narrative from ball one. What do you make of tomorrow's superstars? Well, only time can tell, and I can't wait. This is Dhruv driving off in my Maruti Suzuki Fronx with its stylish, aerodynamic and sporty design.
Ready for it.
Thrilled for it.
Presenting Franks with Turbo Booster Jet Engine.
Next.